Hello and welcome back to another video. So for today I have my sister. So this is a much requested video because whosoever meet us for the first time, they think that we are twins. Which we are not. So due to high public demand, I thought of doing this video. So for today's video, I thought of turning her into myself. So basically I'll be doing her hair and makeup the way I do mine, and let's see if we can pull it off. And also because we don't want to make it monotonous, so we'll be answering a few questions. So this is also a sister tag, so let's begin.
Who is the youngest or oldest among you? Oldest.
Youngest.
What do you like about your sister? You have to answer this.
Tough question.
Tough question because I don't think I like anything about.
Tough question.
Next question. What do you hate
नहीं
about?
नहीं बोलना पड़ेगा ऐसे कैसे next.
What do you like about your sister? That she's very dedicated about her work, but she procrastinates a lot. I just hate it about
मतलब
her.
अच्छाई में भी
नहीं
बुराई
अच्छा नहीं
कर
काट
रही.
देना ये पार्ट.
अच्छाई में भी बुराई नहीं कर
पार्ट
रही.
काट देना. I like the way she dresses up and I like her fashion sense, and I really like the way she's dedicated for her work.
ये नया मिल रहा है सुनने को.
Yes, धीरे चला brush.
Okay, so what I like about her is that कि जैसा कि उसने पहले बोला था that I procrastinate a lot. So I have seen her. She's very dedicated in her work. मतलब even I am, but I am still lazy.
Nice.
Comparatively, I think ये ज़्यादा motivated रहती है. Because recently we started working out. तो I am like मैं हमेशा कोशिश करती हूँ कि आज skip कर देते हैं. But she's
But
like
मैं
कि
कभी
get up, चलना करते हैं. So उसकी वजह से मैं थोड़ा सा regular हो जाती हूँ because वही. So
Next. What do you hate about your sister? She never listens to me.
Oh,
That is the thing I hate about her.
I hate a lot of things about her. So I think what I hate about her is that when she's angry, तो जब इसका थोड़ा मूड खराब होता है तो ये मन में बड़बड़ाती है. So I hate it. मतलब this is just one of the things. और बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, बहुत सारी. तो let's not talk about those things right now.
What do you and your sister have in common?
क्या है हमें कॉमन?
हमारी शक्ल. What's your sister's nickname? Of course, she has the best nickname at our home, which is Tuk Tuk.
ये जनरली सबको पता ही है ऐसे.
Whose room is a mess? Of course, hers, because mine is always organized.
हाँ
like me.
ये I agree.
What's your sister's favorite game to play? I think the gibberish
इसको नहीं पता.
or I
No.
think Ludo.
No, I hate Ludo.
There's this one game in which she has to go into the farm. There are piglets. So I think that one, she loves that game.
Close.
मेरा बता.
It's Heyday.
Yeah, it's Heyday.
या फिर एक और है that is Cooking City. वो मेरे को आजकल बहुत पसंद है. तेरा कहते हैं तू तो लूडो खेलती है पूरे दिन. ऐसे कर ऐसे.
What is your sister's favorite food or drink?
Drink.
So I think for her it is biryani. She can have biryani all day long, like 9 to 7. She can have biryani.
Breakfast,
entire
lunch,
day.
dinner.
Every time, yes.
तेरा क्या है?
मेरे को तो drink पसंद है.
खाना कुछ नहीं पसंद मेरे को. पास्ता.
No.
पिज्जा.
नहीं. Who reads more? I don't read at all. She is reading all the time. She is
I'm not
complete,
reading all the time, but
good person, so she reads more. Be one thing you would love to do together.
love to do together. Some kind of adventure sport.
No way. I think dancing. Dancing is the
हाँ.
most safest option.
हाँ.
What does your sister think about the most?
Think about the most. She thinks about everything. That is the problem.
And she thinks about none.
Oh, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I think about all the things that are relevant and that really matters.
So
Unlike
basically,
her.
she doesn't think at all. Who likes heels or flats? Heels any day.
Flats always.
Are you both close? Yeah, I guess
The
so.
definition of close
Differs for both of us. So we'll say a yes, probably yes.
See, I don't think कि you need to talk every day to be close. Like even मेरे school friends हैं जिनसे मैं रोज बात नहीं करती. It's like one day I call them and then ऐसा लगता नहीं है कि I'm talking to them after ages. So
And I
that's
need
what I
to
think.
talk every day. I
Yeah.
need to give her updates every day. So that's the difference. Who's hot? Me. Of course. What was your biggest fight? I think we fight every alternate day. So
नहीं हम बहुत दिनों से लड़े नहीं हैं.
touch wood, touch wood.
I never started. Always you always start.
But she always probes me to fight. So yeah.
I am a very calm person in general, but I don't know. I just lose it with her.
She just loses it all the time. So
Not really.
yeah, accept it.
I
Don't live in denial.
I won't.
Complete the statement. My sister is dash
Crazy.
like you.
And now because we are out of questions, so probably we are just going to listen to some songs. So we are almost done with the makeup, and that's what I did. And now to make it more real, she's going to change her top. Chal ja. Okay guys, so that was it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to comment down below and let us know. So I'll see you next time. Bye bye.
Oh my god.
अरे ये सीरम है. Curing?
Actually burned my hair.
क्या? काजल लगाना है, मैं लगाऊं? तू लगाएगी?
मैं लगा
क्यों मैं लगा रही थी?
काजल में लगा नहीं सकती.